Hey guys, Shelby here. I wanted to show you a cute little unit for those of you who are kind of at the mercy of your towing capacity. For those with SUVs or 3,000 pound towing capacity, this is definitely the unit for you. It's only 1,900 pounds dry, fiberglass sided, which is always a great feature to have, but inside it's gorgeous. I love it. It has a little bit of an oversized dinette that sleeps one person really comfortably. Air conditioning even in this little guy, 2-burner stove, sink, lots of storage, queen size bed there. In the back you do have a fridge with an ice box, microwave, radio, fantastic fan. There's even TV hookups back here by the bed. It does come with this barbecue grill too, and it hooks up on the back on a little bracket. I will show you that. Comes with spare tire, of course. Has the off-road package. You can see it's a little bit lifted with those bigger tires, get you in tighter spaces. So, you know, people with a Ford Explorer, Tacomas, smaller trucks, things like that, this is definitely for you. So clearanced out just under $12,500. Give me a call if this looks like something you would like to hear more about.